Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Nefertina. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup. This is just my go-to makeup if I have somewhere to be or if I just want to look cute for the day. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching and we'll do it together.
Look at me. I got a microphone. One of my favorite primers that I use for every day is the NYX Plump Right Back Primer. This one is a little pricey. I think it's like $17, but I'll put the price for you guys. I would say it's worth it. The electrolytes in it, and you could actually use it just like as a serum if you're not wearing makeup and you want to look plump and ready for the day. Very hydrating. I go in with a good amount because I just love how it makes my skin look. Look at the glow already.
Tell me it's the week after your period without telling me it's the week after your period. I'm breaking out like crazy.
My all-time favorite complexion duo. This right here. Oh, hold on. This right here. The Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. The e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. I actually need more of both because I use these so much. Depending on where I'm going and how much time I have, sometimes I'll just go in with this if I don't need a lot of coverage and I just want to look glowy. Some on the back of my hand. I go in with the Milani first. I always warm up the product on the back of my hand. I do go a little bit under my eyes just because I do have like a little darkness under my eyes. NYX 03 foundation brush. This on top of it, perfect combo. This gives you like a little glow. Same brush. You see, it covered up the breakout. We're good. So for contouring, the Fenty, the Match Sticks contour sticks. I do like to bring it up to my eyes because I don't really do an eyeshadow look for my everyday. So the contour kind of acts as like an eyeshadow, so it's just like a 2-in-1 thing. Before I blend that out, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the Fenty We're Even concealer. I want to let that sit while we're blending out our contour. This is the e.l.f. dual face brush. You get like the big side and you get the tiny side, and I love using this for contour because I can use the big side for my face and I like to use the small brush for my nose contour. That Fenty blends like butter. I love it. So if you are in a rush or you don't have time, a cream contour product is definitely a must. Like, that took me no time at all. See how blending the contour up into the eye gives us like a faux eyeshadow effect? Yeah. I am using the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. This is one of my favorite concealer brushes. It's like $6. I don't know. I'll put the price up there, but it's a really good brush. Y'all know I am a drugstore girly. Like, I am all for an affordable. Give me the affordable dupe. But there are some products that I will stand by and say that they are worth the coins for sure. I'm over here talking all this stuff about baddie on a budget and my brush just broke. My $6 e.l.f. brush. But I must say I've had this brush for a while and sometimes I don't properly wash them. Like, I'll put the whole thing in water knowing damn well the glue. Anyways, gonna move past that. Just going over everything again with my foundation brush to get blended seamlessly. So for the brightening concealer, I'm using the NYX Pro Fix Stay Concealers. Are so creamy and like have really good coverage and it's buildable. And I just really like how they blend. I'm just gonna go in the inner corner. I'm gonna let it sit just for a little bit. For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush, this Pinky Promise. We're gonna blend that right up. But I'm actually gonna use one of these little triangles just because, I don't know, I like to get that precise blend like right into my inner corner. And I'm gonna bring it up a little bit into my eyelid. Then I'm just taking that concealer brush that broke and blend it into the rest. I do use the same brightening concealer, and I take a little bit and I just go under my eyebrow. Oh, I think my mic just died. Well, that's cool. Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. Tap it on my hand. Milani, Make It Last. I'm going to set my whole face with the e.l.f. Halo Glow pressed powder. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Buttermelt bronzer. I did not mean to put that much. I really went a little crazy with that, so I had to blend it out, but we're good. We're good. It's easy to blend. For blush, I'm going to use the Milani and Berry Amore, and it has like built-in bronzer and highlighter, which I like, so it gives you like a glowy, bronzy blush. I don't really do an eye look for my everyday look, but I do love a wing. Like, it's very hard for me not to put something on my eyes because I feel so naked. Not very dramatic, but I have to have my wing. Definitely gonna be rocking my cat eye until I'm 80. Like, I'm never giving it up. Are they even? Probably not. I do like to bring my inner corner out. Believe it or not, as much as I love makeup, I hate lashes. I only put lashes on for my looks on the internet. Like, I do not wear lashes in my everyday life. I just don't. They're uncomfortable, they're annoying, and also, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not the best lash putter oner. Like, I've just recently started putting lashes on, so I'm just not an expert at it yet. So I'm using the Lash Princess mascara, which this is one of my favorite mascaras of all time. It literally gives me like double the lashes. Like, look at this one and look at this one. You see? You see what I'm saying? Just do a little highlight just because and when I have a little, you know, bump poking through like that, I turn that bad boy into a beauty mark. To finish it off with the Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. Do want my under eyes just a tad bit lighter, so I'm gonna go in with this banana colored shade. That's what we want. The everyday makeup still gives baddie. An everyday lip combo for me is really just a brown liner and a pink lip gloss. Like, I'm using the Maybelline Lifter Liner shade Cross the Line. These liners are so good. They glide effortlessly. e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. This is the shade Sweet Talker. And it's nothing crazy. It's just a pink gloss. Has a little shimmer.
Yeah, and this is the final look. It's giving effortless baddie, and that's just what we want to give on a daily basis. Make sure to like and subscribe if you are not subscribed. See you guys next time.